Why does your scanner show the P2622 engine code? What does it mean? P2622 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle position output circuit high. The P2622 engine code for indicate the powertrain control module, PCM, or engine control module, ECM, has detected a voltage signal from the throttle position sensor, TPS, that is abnormally higher normal operating range. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty accelerator pedal position, damaged wiring or loose connections, defective throttle position sensor, throttle body carbon buildup, faulty ECM or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Dodge, Ram, GM, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.